Stop paying the sticker price for your hospital visits. Most Americans treat a medical bill like a fixed cost, but it is actually a starting point for a negotiation. If you just open the envelope and pay the total, you are likely throwing away thousands of dollars. Today I am showing you exactly how to slash those bills and keep your money where it belongs. Welcome back to Smart Life. The first thing you must do is demand an itemized bill. Hospitals often send a summary that groups everything into one massive charge. Call the billing department and tell them you want a detailed breakdown with CPT codes. This simple request often makes thousands of dollars disappear because it forces them to remove duplicate charges or errors. You might find they charged you $40 for a single box of tissues or a toothbrush. Once you have that list, you need to check for fair market pricing. Use a website like Healthcare Blue Book to see what that procedure actually costs in your zip code. If the hospital is charging 3 times the average, tell them you know the fair price and ask them to match it. The next step is to ask about financial assistance or charity care. Most nonprofit hospitals are required by law to have these programs. Even middle-class families often qualify for a 50% discount or even total debt forgiveness. Search the hospital name plus the words financial assistance policy on their website. Fill out the form even if you think you make too much money. If you do not qualify for a discount, ask for a prompt pay bonus. Tell the billing agent you can pay the full amount today if they give you 20% off. They would rather have 80% of the money now than chase you for years. If you still cannot pay the full amount, never put it on a credit card. Medical debt on a credit card has high interest, but a hospital payment plan is often 0%. Ask for a low monthly payment that fits your budget, and they will usually say yes to keep the account active. Here's a bonus tip that most people miss. Always check if you were treated by an out-of-network doctor at an in-network hospital. The No Surprises Act protects you from these hidden charges in emergency situations. If you see a surprise charge from a doctor, you did not use your rights to fight it. Negotiating takes a little time, but it is the fastest way to save your savings account. If this helped you take control of your bills, hit the like button. Subscribe to Smart Life for more ways to hack your daily expenses. Drop a comment and let me know which hospital trick worked for you.